this, and also this. So now we have the shape over here, this drawing over here. So we need to create a pocket, and the dimension will be through all. See the shape here. Next, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel K-Attack. In this video, I will show you guys how to draw 3D exercise 156. So this is the drawing. Okay, let's get drawing. Create new, create body, create sketch, and we use XY plane. Okay, for this drawing, I will start with the bottom base. So the dimension given in the drawing is length here is 90, and also the width here is 48. But if you see in the drawing, it doesn't give any of the height for this bottom here, and also the thickness here. So drawing don't stated any dimension, but we can figure out by in this drawing it gives us 3 hints to know what is the thickness. Okay, the first hint you can see from here, radius 15 and also radius 9, so the thickness here will be 6. And also this is the second hint, the thickness here 27 and also 21, so we have the thickness here 6. And also from here also we see the drawing given here is 22, and the inner here we see is 10. So if we minus this 2, 22 minus 10 will become 12. 12 if we divide by 2 is also 6. So I will consider every thickness for this drawing will be 6. This thickness, the height here will be 6. Thickness for this side also 6. This also 6. Okay, let's get drawing. So I will start with bottom base. We draw a triangle. Oh, sorry, not triangle, a rectangular. Then we set the height. The vertical constraint will be 90. Right. Okay, the width will be 48. So we set the horizontal here 48. Okay, close. We set a bed here will be 6. Okay. Okay, next we will draw this cylinder here, and also this cutout here inside the cylinder. This will be a semi-cylinder, radius 15. Okay, we will draw on this plane. Click sketch. Then we draw a circle first. Okay, make sure it constrained to this line, this reference line here. Then we set radius 15. Okay, So the center of this circle will be in the middle of this plane here. This line here will be in the middle. So the length is 48. So we divide by 2. So we set the distance from here to our reference will be 48 divided by 2. Next, we draw a line here. Make sure it is horizontally constrained. Then we set the distance. Vertical distance from this line to this reference will be 0. Next, we trim that excess. This one, trim this, and also this. Close. Okay, we have the shape here. Then we give a pad. So the height of this cylinder will be 42, but don't forget we need to minus 6 because we draw the cylinder on this side. It has thickness 6 over here. So the dimension will be 42 minus with 6. Okay, next we will draw this cylinder cutout here, radius 9. We click at this side, click sketch. Then we draw a circle, which is constrained on this line. And we set the radius to be 9. Next, we set the distance from the center circle here to this reference line. It will be 48 divided by 2. So we stay in the middle of this circle here, the cylinder. Then we draw a line. Make sure it's horizontal constraint. Then we set the distance, the height from our reference line will be 0. Okay, now we can proceed with trim. Trim this, and also this. Close. Now we have the shape over here, this drawing over here, so we need to create a pocket, and the dimension will be through all. See the shape here. Next, we will draw these two sides here, this one and also this one. So we will be on this plane on this side, on this surface for this side, and also this side. Okay, we just click here. Oh, before that, just okay first. We click here, so click here, click sketch. Now we draw a rectangular first. Just draw. Okay, we have two rectangular. Then we set the vertical height will be 90. Okay, same for this side also, 90. Then the width will be 6. Here also 6. Now we need to set the location of these two plate here. These two. Okay, first for this side we just use the consider constraint. Click this end of the rectangular with our reference. Okay, it will sit perfectly on this this surface. Then another one for this side, we set the distance from here, from this point to our reference will be 48. Okay, then the height will be from here to our reference. From here to our reference will be 0. So it will sit properly on this surface. Okay, then we can close. Now we set the pad. The pad will be 30 from bottom here until the top, 30, but we need to minus with 6 because we draw these two sides here on the surface. So we click pad 30 minus with 6. Okay. Next, we will draw these two holes here. Okay. So I will choose one side. Okay, I will start for this side. Click sketch. Okay. Next, location of this circle. This circle is diameter 18. Location is from our reference, from this end here to the center of the circle will be 45. Then the height given in drawing is from top here to the center circle will be 13. So we draw a circle first. Okay, then we set the diameter 18. Then we set the distance from reference line to the center circle here will be 45. So from drawing it gives that distance from end here to the center circle, but in this video I show you I take from the reference here. So our reference is here because the dimension given is 90. So if I minus 45, so I will also have this side also 45. Okay, then I set the height from the center circle to our reference will be 30 minus 13. 30 minus with 13. Okay, this is the height. So close. Then I create a pocket. So if I just a dimension is given only 5. So if I put through all, you can see it will go through also for that side. For that side also. Okay, done. We have this two cylinder cut out here. Then okay. Next we will draw this block here. Okay, for this block, given here the rectangular here that we need to draw is the width is 22, the length will be 27, and also the distance from the end here to the first point of this rectangular will be 6. So I will choose this side to draw surface, get sketch. Then I will draw a triangle first. Oh, sorry, triangle, rectangular. Then I will set the horizontal horizontal will be 22 and the vertical will be 27. Okay, right now we need to set the distance from the location of this block first. So you can see from this end side to this first side of the block will be 6. So we set the horizontal constraint, vertical constraint from this point to our reference line will be 90 minus with 6. Okay, now we need to set the vertical horizontal constraint from here to here. Okay, in this drawing it gives 48, so we need to find the middle here. 48 will be 24. For next we need to minus with the middle of half of this 22. This means 24 we need to minus with 11. Okay, next we will draw this cutout here. Need to draw another rectangular, okay, for this side until this. So we set the distance. Okay, now we set the horizontal constraint for this line will be 10. Then we set the vertical constraint from this point, horizontal constraint from this point to this point will be 6. Okay, now we have even here 6 here and also 6 here. And next we set the vertical constraint for this line will be 21. Okay, we have the shape here. Now we need to do trim. Okay, we need to trim this line. Trim one more time because we draw two rectangular here. Okay, now the shape is here. Close. Now you see the shape. Then we create a pad. The height of the pad will be 30 minus with 6. Okay, I think our drawing have done. Check back if we have missed anything. I don't think everything. I think everything's okay right now. Just look back at everything. If we miss any of the drawings. Okay, done. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.